Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Hope you guys are fine. So we went to Rocky Mountain National Refuge. So this is a discovery trail which we went, that is after the visitor center or behind the visitor center, in which we saw some bisons. So we thought we should go there and you can see the bisons. As you can see the bisons, you can say hi bisons, how are you? And I love bisons. I don't know why. I'm a crazy fan of the bisons. Here is some information about bisons. You can pause it and read it along. And they were just drinking water, which I love. Now from here on we'll go to wildlife drive of Rocky Mountain National, and we can go near the bisons and see them. And there are so many experiences of coyote, bison, mule deer, hawks, bald eagles or prairie dog town. So we start the 11-mile loop. So it's a self-guided route that takes you to one of the most unique wildlife habitats in Colorado, and it has restored shortgrass prairie, wetlands and open field with sweeping views of Denver skyline and front range. The main highlight is bison enclosure, where we'll come over there and I will give the video opportunities. And if you see it, the Refuge dramatic history, it was once a chemical weapons manufacturing site which is now transformed into wildlife sanctuary. And if you have not seen deer, it's so beautiful. You can see and enjoy the view of deer. If you haven't seen my last video where I gave you how many acres this wildlife sanctuary is, please go back to the last video and let me know in the comments ये कितने एकड़ की वाइल्ड सेंचुरी है. एंड ये एक बार केमिकल वेपन्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग साइट हुआ करता था और अभी ये रिस्टोर भी हो गया है और या कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे आपको थोड़े लेक्स दिखेंगे, बाइसन दिखेंगे, डियर्स दिखेंगे, आपको हॉग्स दिखेंगे, कायोटेस दिखेंगे एंड डेनवर स्काईलाइन दिखेगा. And this 11-mile loop is so beautiful, and this is free. This wildlife drive is free, of course, and it is open daily from sunrise to sunset. बस ये विजिटर सेंटर जो है दैट इज़ ओपन फॉर अ सर्टेन टाइमिंग्स एंड इट्स परफेक्ट फॉर bird watchers, videographers, photographers, or anyone looking for peaceful nature escape very close to the city. ये जो साइन आया हुआ है here it shows bison area has started from here, but bisons may be over there, so proceed with caution. यहाँ पे आप bisons you cannot touch, यहाँ पे आप हाथ नहीं लगा सकते उनको क्योंकि वो आँखें मार देंगे because of their heavy weight. And you can see the trees, there are variety of trees and surroundings. As you can see, the bison area has come. It's called as a bison enclosure. Here the roads are one way and you can see the mule. If you can, please comment down below. And yes, this is a family of bisons which we love. So enjoy the scene of bison. You can see the Denver downtown or Denver skyline from here, and it's like so beautiful during sunsets and the weather was so good, so why not a picture. Hope you love the video, and please share, subscribe and comment down below. I will give on some places to visit in Denver too.